Okay guys, I've told you before that Maphalala played by Umkhokha is leaving Umkhokha, and you didn't believe me. And because I predicted his exit, and I'm again telling you that he's coming back. So to find out why I'm saying so, then stay tuned to this video. I want you guys to be very patient with me on this one. I know very well that Nizongidla ngiphila if he doesn't come back. So I'll start by putting it out there that I am a great fan and a follower of Umkhokha. I just love his music and the video clips that he usually posts with Ijabule Africa from time to time. So I watch his YouTube videos and watch most of his Instagram posts. So a few weeks back, I was scrolling down my Instagram and I came across this post. He posted this picture that you're looking at on your screen right now, and as a TV related content creator and as a fan of Umkhokha, I obviously had to read the caption. And at the back of my mind, I was thinking that there might be something important that the picture entails. And if you observe very well, I noticed Umkhokha's exit via his Instagram post even last time. So the caption of the post reads, "I've missed my family so much. We're thankful to Umkhokha Mzansi for making us meet. Let's break the bread again soon. Miss Pelele Pilutule at Pinky77 whatever. This was biggest in my career or whatever." So guys, let's analyze this. Sazi samnandi sidlo sanamuhla. We're thankful to Umkhokha for making us meet. Nakia. When I saw this, my thoughts were like, why would Umkhokha arrange a meetup for Maphalala, his wife and his child, if he's no longer part of Umkhokha? Why? Most we all know that Nokubonga and his mother are still part of the show. Then why would Umkhokha make them meet? Why would Umkhokha arrange a meetup for them? Nje, out of the blue. Why? But then at the time, I was not even serious about my investigation, so I let that one slide. I started taking this whole thing seriously yesterday when I saw this post. A picture of Umkhokha with Kinishan who plays the character of Ndlovu. Then I looked at the picture closely and I realized that no, man. Spamandla was standing at this exact same spot on Monday when talking to Mthembu, telling Mthembu that he had to move out of the house, and then my mind came back that no, man. This is the Mthembu's new house. Yes, one might say that this is the same house that was used by Umlungisi back in the day or last year. But guys, we have seen Umanzimane and Umkhokha cleaning the house and changing the furniture. So you can't be telling me that Amakamba Lawa the island last year and they are still here even today. No man, it can't be. And at this point, no one can convince me otherwise. I really do believe the news that Maphalala is again shooting with Umkhokha. Otherwise, if he came for a visit, maybe let's say he came for a visit, I don't see the need for him to wear the Maphalala attire. I mean, we all know how Umkhokha dresses, but this guy here on the picture is Maphalala and not Umkhokha. And if you think about it carefully, Unobonga is about to get married to one of the Mthembu brothers, so Maphalala is probably coming back to negotiate Unobonga's lobola on her new marriage or whatever they call it. He'll probably leave again when he is done. I don't know. And guys, I'm repeating this. These news are not verified by Umkhokha or Mzansi Magic or whoever. I am just speculating based on the things that I've mentioned. And yes, I could be wrong, but think about it. Umkhokha used his Instagram page to announce his departure, so that is why I think he's using his Instagram again to announce his return. And a proud Zulu man like Umkhokha would never come here posting about Umkhokha, knowing very well that Bavele bamlaqaza nje kanjalo and didn't even give him a dignified exit. Phela the way that he left Umkhokha was very much suspicious, which makes it hard for me to believe that he really exited the show. But then these are just my thoughts, so please share your own thoughts in the comment section and let me know, what do you guys think about Umkhokha's recent post on Instagram? Do you guys think that he's just posting J, or you also agree with me that he's returning? So while you're still commenting on the comment section, this is the end of this video. Please like the video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, and on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.